Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim of ExshawQuilts.com, and in today's video I wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to sew the lining for your tote. Now this can also apply to the tote itself. I'm making boxed corners, so that's what this demonstration is going to highlight. All of my patterns are available on my website at ExshawQuilts.com, so you can go check them out there. I do a lot of quilting. So this is the lining, like I said, but the tote will be the same way. We're going to box them out the same way. So for this particular pattern that I'm working out, I've done a notch of a 1.5 by 1.5 square, and I've cut that out because these are going to be the notches. So these are going to be the boxed corners, right? And I've already sewn down one side. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it and I'm going to sew down this side of the lining. We're going to not sew this yet. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second here. And we're using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. All right, and then we're gonna flip it again. All right, so I gone ahead and I sewed down this other seam here. So now we have our notch ready to sew. This is going to form our boxed corner. So what we want to do is take this notch and pull it out like so, and then we're going to align these seams together. Sometimes you kind of have to rearrange it a little bit. This fabric that I'm using, it's not the greatest. It's actually tablecloth that I got from the Salvation Army, and I thought it would be really cool for a bag lining. Anyway, so we have aligned our seams there, and we're just going to sew a straight line. Remember to back stitch. And there we go. We have our boxed corner. So now it looks like this. So when we put it inside of our bag, we'll have really nice corners. So I'm just gonna flip it the other way. So that's what it's gonna look like. Isn't that nice? Like it will sit so much better, and it just looks like professional. And anyway, so that is what it looks like to do the boxed corners. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more.